Want to transform your backyard into a cozy oasis without spending a fortune? Whether you're on a tight budget or just love a good DIY project, I've got you covered with easy and affordable ideas to create the perfect relaxation space right outside your door. From upcycled furniture to serene water features, you won't believe how simple it is to turn your backyard into a personal retreat. Let's dive in. Don't spend a fortune on outdoor furniture. Make your own. Start with wood pallets. They're cheap, often free, and can be turned into a stylish outdoor sofa or coffee table. Sand them down, stack them, and throw on weatherproof cushions or a few colorful blankets. Add a small side table from a thrift store or even a crate flipped upside down. Suddenly, you have a cozy lounge zone perfect for morning coffee or evening chats. The best part? You save money and create something unique. Want to give your backyard that peaceful garden vibe? A stone pathway instantly adds charm, and you can do it on a budget. Use reclaimed stones, broken pavers, or even large flat rocks you find on a hike. Lay them over sand or gravel, and surround the edges with plants or mulch. You'll love how it invites you to wander through your garden or leads guests to a hidden corner. Simple, natural, and totally charming. Lighting transforms your backyard, and it doesn't have to cost much. Grab some string lights and drape them across trees, fences, or a pergola. Add solar-powered lanterns or fairy lights along the path. As the sun sets, your backyard will glow with warm, magical light. Whether it's a dinner party, a quiet evening with a book, or just you and a glass of wine, good lighting sets the mood, and it's easy on your wallet. Running out of space? Go vertical. Vertical gardens are a brilliant way to add life without taking up precious ground. Use an old pallet, a ladder, or hanging pots to fill with herbs, flowers, or even strawberries. Not only does it make your space look lush, but it also turns a plain wall or fence into a stunning focal point. Bonus, vertical gardens are low cost and great for small spaces. Nothing says relaxation like the sound of water. You don't need a fancy pond or expensive fountain. Just grab a large ceramic pot, add a small water pump, some river rocks, and you've got a DIY water feature. Place it near your seating area or in a garden corner. The gentle trickle adds a peaceful vibe, masks noise from traffic, and turns your backyard into a true retreat. Comfort is key. Create cozy seating areas with outdoor cushions, throw blankets, and even a bean bag or two. Look for weatherproof fabrics or repurpose old indoor cushions for a rustic vibe. Toss them on benches, crates, or even the lawn for a picnic-style setup. Add a small side table for drinks or books, and you've got an outdoor living room that's perfect for relaxing anytime. Nothing brings people together like a fire pit. Build your own using stacked bricks, pavers, or stones. No fancy kit needed. Choose a safe spot, clear the ground, and stack your materials in a circle. Add some chairs or logs around it, and voila! You've got a backyard gathering spot for roasting marshmallows, telling stories, or simply enjoying a crackling fire under the stars. Give your backyard personality with upcycled decor. An old ladder becomes a plant shelf, tin cans turn into hanging planters, and a vintage crate makes a charming flower box. Visit thrift stores or use what you have. You'll save money and create one-of-a-kind pieces that make your backyard stand out. It's eco-friendly, stylish, and fun to put together. Green up your space with potted plants, especially low-maintenance ones like succulents, herbs, or small flowers. Use mismatched pots, recycled containers, or even teacups for a quirky touch. Cluster them on tables, steps, or walls. You'll add color, texture, and fresh scents. And the best part? You don't need a green thumb or a big budget to pull it off. Finally, create your ultimate escape, a cozy outdoor nook. Hang a hammock between two trees, set up a swing chair, or pile up cushions in a quiet corner. Add soft lighting, maybe a side table, and you've got a personal retreat for reading, napping, or stargazing. It's your own little hideaway, no plane ticket required. If you loved these budget-friendly backyard ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on creating the ultimate outdoor oasis. And don't forget to share your backyard transformations in the comments below. I'd love to see how you're bringing these ideas to life. Happy gardening!